advisor is Dr. Yoon, and for the past 2 semesters, we had the opportunity to work on a wireless broadband trending tool that we call CalSPEED Trends. Now, the problem that we faced is that even though wireless broadband speeds are publicly available, the data often lacks context and often lacks a way to compare services between multiple wireless providers. Our solution was a desktop web application that includes an interactive map and the trend tool itself. This tool allows users to not only compare wireless providers, but to compare their data over time. This allows users to predict trends and make educated choices on wireless provider that they go with.
So the way that we decided to build this tool is we first got the information from the CPUC in an Excel spreadsheet. So what we did is we created a SQL database and formatted the information to upload into that database. We then used a couple different scripting languages to call the information into a Google map using different markers for each location that we had information for. Those informations on click then pull that information that's correlates to that specific location and inputs it into the Google motion chart that's located below the map. When the information is loaded into the graph below, the user has the option of seeing a bubble graph, a bar graph, or a static line graph. And the bubble and bar graph have an interactive feature which the user can view the information over time. The tools that we used were a couple different scripting languages, including HTML, PHP, SQL, and JavaScript. The APIs that we used were Google's Maps, which has full Google Map functionality, and the Google Visualization, which is the motion chart directly below. The hardware that we used was the university-run server, which holds all of our coding files and our project in total. What we learned about during this project is a lot of project management, version control, and requirement analysis. So figuring out what steps have to come in what order for the tool to work properly and have full functionality. We also learned a few technical skills, which include client-server interactions. So when the user wants certain information, how to pull that information and not just a complete data dump. We also had no experience with using Google APIs as far as coding them into what we wanted them to do. So that was a whole process in itself.
That concludes our presentation. If you'd like to ask us any questions or try out our live demo, please visit us for a poster session in room 171. Thank you.